is your girl, Samaya Trades, aka Little Miss $300 a day, back at it with yet another video. And this is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to follow up on my last upload because the trade that I actually marked, AUD USD, that trade chart that I marked in the last video actually hit TP. And I said to you guys in that video explicitly, I wanted to mark something from scratch, a completely clean and untouched virgin chart, and I wanted to mark it up and show you guys how I would apply my strategy. And we actually saw a setup in a live market, right? Because yesterday was Sunday, it was past 5 p.m. East Coast. It was actually 8 p.m. East Coast when I saw this trade. So this was at market open, and I caught this setup. I did not take this trade. I ended up taking some other trades. I made 700 last night, but yeah, this just goes to show you literally can trade anything with my strategy, period. So I'm going to share my screen and show you guys what I saw. Okay, so I go back and I actually see that the trade hit TP. So this is what we had marked up. If you don't believe me, go and watch the last video where I talk about, my strategy and how it's extremely profitable and how you can trade anything with it. This is exactly what I mean. So this was the setup here. And you guys can look at the date, the time, everything. This is a London session, market open. Okay. So pretty much we were identifying that we had these, three major areas where price was rejecting a lot. Okay. And it was also specifically rejecting this 50 levels. And that's really what I was trying to show you guys in the first video, which is how beautifully the market flows in between these 50 levels. Okay. So rejection off the 50. Price was starting to break. As I was recording yesterday, price was starting to break the 50 level. And I said to you guys on the video, this is an opportunity to see how it reacts at this 50 level. If it's, going to pretty much do some of these moves like breakout but wick, and then ultimately, get rejected from that area, and what it was going to do. Or if it actually was going to be a true break, and if it was, we could target the next pivot level above as our TP. And that's exactly what happened. And I had chosen that bias in the video. And the reason for that being too was because I was starting to see, if you guys can see how this lines up, hold on one second. If you guys can see, like right in here was when I started to see the momentum shift in my Hakanashi RSI, right? So this, you can look at this as a rally up, a pullback, and then a rally up. And then ultimately, this is, it's like peak, right? Overbought, oversold levels, right? That kind of thing that you would anticipate with regular traditional like RSI. And then price starts to ultimately tank after that. Okay. And vice versa, right? Price does this, time and time again. But that was the setup yesterday. So this was another confirmation, you guys. So when I put it all together, all signs pointed to, baby, we're going to go long on AUD, USD, target R1 as our take profit. I did not even take this trade. So when I came back and looked at it, I was just like, honestly, somebody would have made good money off of this. Okay. And I'll just check the pivot. I'll just check the pip count, a quick, easy 20 pips. And you guys already know 20 pips on any asset that you're trading, or, if you're doing, indices, the points, anything like that, 20,000 points, that's your sweet spot. Okay, you guys, like that's a gem. Like seriously, write that down and backtest it for yourself. Level to level, 20 pips, 20,000 points, depending on what you're trading, gets the job done on a daily basis. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you found that helpful. I just wanted to get a follow-up video out there because that setup was extremely successful and it played out chef's kiss to a T. So if you have any questions about any setups that you've seen, if you want to send me markups, if you want to just talk charts over champagne, we can do that too. I am here, I am yours, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.